Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a widget stack on the Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my home screen, and first of all, I'm going to add a widget to my home screen. If you want to add a widget, we can tap and hold on any empty area of our home screen, and then you have to choose the widgets. And I'm just going to add the device care widget. This one, I'm going to add it to my home screen. Okay, and now the widget has been added to my home screen, and then I'm going to create a stack. You can tap and hold on the widget and then select create stack, and you can choose the second widget guys, and I'm going to choose the Google widget. I'm going to go to the Google, and I'm going to add this Google search bar to the stack. Okay, we can click on add. All right, and now the stack has been created guys. You just need to swipe left or swipe right to access the widget. And I'm going to add one more stack. I'm going to click on edit stack, and then we can click on this plus button, and I'm going to add YouTube widget. Okay, I'm going to add this YouTube search bar. Okay, and now the widget has been added to my stack, and I'm going to check it. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a widget stack on the Samsung Galaxy phone's home screen. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.